How low can you go? How low can you go when you're down in the ruts? Down in the ruts. How low can you go? How low can you go when you're down? Down on your luck, strange violence beating madly, temperatures rising. The betrayals are indecisive when you look deep, deep in the eyes. Deep in the eyes, deep in the eyes. There's a wildcat massacre, wildcat massacre. The hard luck, wildcat massacre. The hard luck that's been endured. The time bombs in the eyes. Time bombs never heard. Try to read them carefully as the plot unwinds so viciously. Viciously, as the plot unwinds so viciously on the lovesick prodigies, on the students' blackboards. He's way past all the lessons, stating theories of the burning guns, the angry ones, the betrayal.